After moving out of the Scamp these past few months to do some much-needed post-Alaska repairs, we were finally back on the road. For real this time. Setting out into the American Southwest to explore an area of the country we've hardly touched over the course of our travels thus far. But first, we would be making a stop at a place we were quite familiar with. Scobie found a snack.
Goodie!
What'd you get?
Pineapple mango with tahini and chamoy, and then mixed with just tahini.
Oh,
I'm excited.
looks bomb. Cracking into this one too. Oh yeah.
This one I think is even better.
We were headed to Joshua Tree to spend a week camping and readjusting to life on the road. Lately, we've been joking around with each other that this is our season 2 of Scamp life. But honestly, it really kind of does feel that way. So, here it is, season 2. A week in our lives at Joshua Tree. We hope you enjoy, and thanks for being here with us.
Sometimes I get anxious when driving, and Della does too. Don't make comments like,
It's not comments. It's reactions to what's happening.
and it freaks me out.
While in the Joshua Tree area, we did something that most don't do, which is completely avoid the park. It's not that we purposely stayed away, but we've both been super busy with work lately, and since we've been to the park many times before, we kind of just ended up staying at camp. Honestly though, it was really nice to just be in nature and not feel pressured to sightsee. We enjoyed lots of peaceful sunny days outside at camp, punctuated occasionally by people shooting guns out in the desert or our neighbors' taste in music.
Marge doesn't like the sound of warfare, does she?
Warfare or rock?
One day, we found ourselves in the midst of the most intense sandstorm we've ever experienced. Once the dust finally settled, the day finished off with an incredible sunset. Then, the next morning, nature decided to spoil us even more with one of the most stunning sunrises I think I've ever seen in my entire life. It's not often I find myself awake at 5:55 a.m. But this morning, the electric pink light roused me from sleep and sent me flying out the door, camera in hand, before I was even fully conscious.
We've been at this spot at Joshua Tree now for about a week. We're on BLM land north of the park. But today we are going to move to our next spot. So there's this cool place kind of near Joshua Tree. It's a little bit east of where I grew up. It's called the Desert Lily Sanctuary, and it's BLM land, so you can camp there. And if the conditions are right, you can see desert lilies. Last year we camped at the Desert Lily Sanctuary and there were no lilies, but this year I'm feeling a little bit more hopeful because we're gonna be there a little bit later, like closer into spring. And also we got pretty good rainfall this year. Oh, hi Marge. Marge just came back inside. We got pretty good rainfall this year, so hopefully that all adds up to us seeing some lilies because they look really cool. We're also going to be meeting up with one of my really close friends that I love very dearly. I haven't seen her in about a year, so she's actually going to come camp with us, and she has a really cute little dog, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So we are going to run some errands first before we head out. We got a pretty early start today. We started getting ready around 7:30, so I'm hoping we'll be out of here at kind of an earlier hour than usual. Something I noticed since being back on the road is that my sleep and wake cycles are a lot more attuned with sunrise and sunset. Now I just wake up with the sun every day and it's so nice. I like it so much better. And it's just been really lovely. I'm gonna wear these today. This today. How was outside?
Thank you.
What happened out here? I heard a crash and a bang.
Yeah, I kind of felt.
Oh, so you
can
used
see.
those?
Yeah, because I can't reach it otherwise. I mean, I can put the cap on, no problem. When it comes to taking this off, pull it up, and also I need to take this off because this gets secured tightly. And I can't reach that.
Damn, it's kind of a vibe out here.
Yeah, it is fun.
What are you playing this off of? Just your phone?
Gotta have my.
How's it that loud?
Full blast, babe.
That looks like a pretty comfy spot, Margie. Just like that, we are all ready to go. Hoping the sprouts and green onions I'm growing don't get damaged in the ride. But we'll see. Alright, Marjorie, you ready to go to our next spot? Run some errands first, though, okay?
Good job, Del.
You
We
ready to go?
killed it. Yeah,
we killed it.
ready to go.
quick, huh?
That was really quick. Efficient. We both completed our tasks. Marge got to come in and out.
Still in that little hut she loves so much.
All right. Now
As soon as we said maybe we should get rid of it because she doesn't use it anymore. she's
I
already
know,
using it.
right? She wasn't using it for the
She's
longest
smart,
time.
You know? This spot was nice. Goodbye, beautiful spot.
Today felt like a good day to finally attempt something that really scares me, but I've been meaning to do for quite some time now.
All right, Della's second time driving the trailer. First time was in a parking lot in San Francisco.
Yeah.
When we first got the trailer,
It
so a couple
barely
of years
counts.
ago.
This is my first time actually driving it, not just like doing circles in a parking lot. And I don't know why we chose today, but
Well, the road
It
that
just
we're on
happened.
is pretty straight.
yeah, I think it's a
and-
low pressure situation today. Yeah, we're pulled over now at the Oasis Community Church.
Ooh, with green windows.
Yeah, and
Green
I'm
door.
gonna drive, I guess.
Here we go.
Yeah, baby's gotta learn, right? Put it in drive.
Yes.
Let's go.
Buckle
Oh,
up.
I should use my turn signal. That would be probably good. Oh my god. Wait, it does honestly just feel like I'm driving the car.
Yeah.
Like, it's really not.
You really only
That
notice it
bad.
when you have to reverse. Because you have to brake a little bit earlier than normal.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm driving the trailer. Okay, this is gonna sound like really cliche, but I feel like I've already done this. Like, it doesn't feel like anything too crazy.
You and the trailer are one.
Yeah, I put my blood, sweat, and tears in the trailer, so I guess we're just connected.
Yeah, exactly. You have a spiritual bond.
Yeah.
Scott behind the camera, hello. We got Marge back here. She's on the fridge. Say hi, Margie. All right, document day 1 of Della driving. So far, so good. She's killing it right now. Mind you, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really tell.
Honestly, it doesn't feel that different than just driving the car.
No, driving the trailer's fun.
Not sure why I was so nervous.
Thank you for watching, and we hope that you enjoyed. We have a lot more desert adventures coming, so stay tuned for more soon.